You can expect a lot from the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.